just a simple note here on the Mitsubishi units. Now each one of these condensers here, okay, has 3 air handlers inside the house attached to it. So this operates 3 fan units, fan coils, okay? So 3 of the rooms have these big cooling units. They look nice, they're all remote control operated, and they work well. These are older units but weren't maintained. The homeowner called us. She just bought the house. We're at Eastwood Avenue in Austin. She just moved in and we weren't working, so we came out, cleaned them real well, and everything seems to be working good.